On the 1st of October 2009, the Communist Party of PRC is going to celebrate their completion of 60 years in power in China. This is a kind of unfortunate event for entire humankind. A totalitarian region which have caused a great deal of human right violation and exploitation of entire citizens of China for the last 60 years continuously. In the beginning, in the name of the revolution in the political system, and thereafter in the name of communization and cultural revolution and so forth. For quite some time, a great deal of class struggle in which numerous people of China have been perished under torture in the concentration camps and in various different form of exploitation and torturing and imprisonment and so forth, in which the Tibetan people are no exception, including Tibetan people, all the minorities, and even the Han Chinese themselves have suffered a great deal, and which has also very adversely affected ancient cultural heritage of many minorities, and particularly the Tibetans, the Uyghurs, and the Mongolians, who have a very rich cultural and spiritual heritage, which are entirely destroyed in a kind of culture genocide. So therefore, this 60th anniversary is a symbol of human weakness, and also the weakness of the world public opinion. The world has failed to persuade the Chinese authorities to care for the human values and human dignity. As a matter of fact, the totalitarian system, and particularly the communist system, which is not compatible with human nature, and therefore the system has been disintegrated in Soviet Union and elsewhere. But in China, they still managed to continue the totalitarian system, and I believe that it cannot be sustained forever. The people of China, the people of world, both are looking for human dignity in the world's largest populated country, the China. So therefore, sooner or later, the human dignity will restore, and the freedom and human rights will be restored in China in near future, and we all looking for such a positive change in People's Republic of China.